Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can block channels in Telegram. Well, channels are a way for brands and other companies to broadcast their messages. But it's not always that the groups or the channels that we have already subscribed stays relevant to us. If you want to block a channel from your Telegram, just open your Telegram app, make sure you are signed in, and once you go there, select the channel that you want to block. Let's say I want to block this coding news. Now, if you browse through the top section, there is 3 dots. Let's select it. Now there's the option for leave channel. So if you click on it and confirm about the leaving of yours from the channel, you will essentially have blocked the channel from your content or homepage. Now you know how to block channels from your Telegram. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding blocking channels in Telegram, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.